Good evening, students. Today we will going to discuss about that one of application of our embedded system, ATM machine, that mean automated teller machine. So everybody knows that the applications of ATM machine is used for banking applications like your amount transaction, withdrawal, and debit the amount, change your PIN number, and also using for transactions. And some of ATM machines are used for withdraw or check. So the card used for your ATM machine is like your ATM card. That is a magnetic plastic card, magnetic strip. The operation of our ATM card is like your magnetic material, like electromagnetic material, like your tape recorder. Once upon a time we are using as a tape recorder. The same operation was held in your ATM machine. It contains a unique number and identity information. It is also known as a cash card, bank card, client card, and key card, or anything else. This card was issued by your bank, and then everybody knows that the operations of ATM machine and functions of ATM machine, and also what are the features of your ATM machine. Like now you are seeing your screen, the screen of your ATM machine. It having an screen buttons, receipt printer, and card reader, and speaker, and keypad, and also amount deposit slot, cash dispenser, and display screen. These are all the main functions of your ATM machine. If there will be no card reader, the ATM card cannot be read and no transaction can be done by ATM machine. The ATM card is required to swipe through this card reader slot. After swiping card, it captures the account information through magnetic strip of ATM machine. After retrieving the correct information of your account, card reader send this information to host processor for further processes. And host processor is a heart of your ATM machine. It contacts the bank server and retrieves your account details such as available balance and previous transactions, PIN numbers, etc. Your host server is always connected to your bank server. Through that we can able to access your bank server. It verifies your PIN number and also it matches with your provide PIN number what we are giving in the system, that mean ATM machine. Suppose the PIN number is wrong, mean it you are good not able to enter your you could not able to access your ATM machine, that mean your bank server. And to take your PIN and other requests from your user, there will be a keypad or touchpad. So keypad or touchpad is responsible for taking input from the user, and these pad numbers and few other keys such as clear, OK will be placed. Keypad transfers your input data to the host controller process the request. The speaker is placed in your ATM machine, which is responsible for audio alerts. It will be alert every instructions. The amount will be dispatched, wait for some times, and properly insert your ATM cards. These are the instructions are given by your speaker. Actually speaker is act as an output mode, and when you press any key, the speaker confirm the pressing of key, producing a beep sound or alert. It also assumes that the keypad is wrong. So speaker is also very important part of your ATM machine. And print receipt printer is also responsible for printing your transaction receipt. And nowadays we are advanced move on to digital technology. Now lot of ATM machines are not having printing options. They are only getting your digital message like your SMS. It will be print whether transaction is successful or not. And the important information from fixed codes by which we can access the transaction status and its reason of failure. So receipt printer is virtual part of automated teller machine. The most important part of automated teller machine is its cash dispenser. The cash dispenser is responsible for giving out correct amount of cash you have requested for. So after getting instruction from host controller to pay money, cash dispenser will count money and dispenses of money out of it. Suppose you are taking a withdraw the amount from any other branch, and that the particular branch will be taken out from your home server bank account. So uses of ATM machine, everybody knows: withdrawals, balance updating, deposit, fund transfer, payment. Okay. So next we will discuss about that operation of ATM machine. So the ATM machine is always connected to the host computer by using a telephone network, like your whatever mobile connecting like that. And then host computer is always connected to your bank server, that means bank computer. It is also connected through the telephone network. So you mind it one thing, the ATM machine is always worked through the telephone network. When you are get a signal, you can able to access your ATM machine. Without signal, we could not able to access your ATM machines. So this is the main function of your ATM machine. That means control unit, high security mode. It is used to control the security processes. And you are having a memory unit. The memory unit is used to store the data and record the data. Keypad unit. The keypad unit is act as an input. And card reader. It is used to read your ATM card. And real-time clock, it is used to providing the clock signals. Through that we can able to connect your ATM machine to the entire external peripheral devices like your external devices. And LCD driver, the LCD driver unit is used to connect the display. Through that we can able to get the output from the display. And motor driver, the motor driver unit is used to count the cash in your ATM rack, that means ATM tray. And speaker driver, it is act as an output node. And relay driver and AC switches, it is act as in switches. It is used to providing the switching operations. And Ethernet, it is used as an communication interface like your ATM machine. It is used to interface your ATM machine to the external devices. And reset power supply, suppose if in case any interruption or hanging should be happened, the power supply will be automatically reset and it will be recover the problem. It is act like a watchdog timer. So everybody knows that watchdog timer. The watchdog timer, it is used to recover the problem its own itself. And power supply and standard device. This is the basic operation of your ATM machine. Okay, thank you students.